In a single monitor setup, click the Start Comparison button on the toolbar to access the patient history for exam comparison. This splits the screen into two sections. On a horizontal monitor, the current exam is shown on the left and the patient history on the right. On a vertical monitor, the current exam is displayed at the top and the patient history below it. Select the desired exam from the timeline to display it together with the current exam. To exit comparison mode, click the Start Comparison button again. In a double monitor setup, click the Change Secondary Exam button in the upper right corner of the secondary monitor. Then, select the desired exam from the patient history timeline that opens. The selected exam will be added to the preview bar. To compare it with the current exam, use the left mouse button to drag and drop its thumbnails from the preview bar into the desired panels of the secondary monitor. During comparison, whether using a single or double monitor setup, window level, zoom, and pan actions between the exams can be synchronized. Use the Link Panels section in the toolbar to manage synchronization settings. Options include disabling synchronization, enabling it for zoom and pan only, or extending it to window-level adjustments. To synchronize scrolling between two image series from different studies, manually align the images by scrolling to the correct position. Then, enable the Link Panels with Different Studies option in the Link Panels section. Once this is activated, the series will scroll together, maintaining the alignment introduced.